Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best pitcher is probably one of the most essential items for any household looking to improve their drinking water quality, offering a convenient and cost-effective way to access clean, great-tasting water right from your tap. These pitchers are designed to filter out common impurities like chlorine, heavy metals, and sediment, ensuring that every glass you pour is not only healthier but also more enjoyable to drink, making it a smart choice for health-conscious individuals and families alike who want to reduce their reliance on bottled water and embrace a more sustainable lifestyle. Number 5. AQUA CREST Faucet Filter Replacement RF, $99.99. Introducing the AQUA CREST Faucet Filter Replacement, designed for optimal performance and convenience in your home. Rest assured with NSF certifications, ensuring it meets strict standards for reducing chlorine, taste, odor, and lead. Experience superior filtration with our premium coconut activated carbon block, significantly reducing impurities for better tasting water. Enjoy healthy drinking water for up to 3 months with its long-lasting service life and a stronger, faster water flow. This filter is designed for a perfect fit, ensuring seamless compatibility with various PUR faucet filter models. Please note that packaging may vary during this transition period, but the quality and compatibility remain unchanged. What we like? This filter offers a robust 600-gallon lifespan, meaning fewer replacements and more value. It's NSF 42 certified for taste and odor reduction. If you're looking for a filter that provides excellent filtration and a strong, consistent water flow without long waits, this is a great choice for busy households. What people say? The water tastes great and is very refreshing. It is easy to use and the filter lasts a long time. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well in my kitchen. Number 4. AQUA CREST Faucet Filter Replacement RF, $99.99. Experience cleaner, better tasting water with our advanced faucet filter. It's designed to significantly reduce chlorine, taste, and odor for your peace of mind. Rest assured, this filter is NSF certified against NSF ANSI standard 42 and 372. This means it's tested for chlorine reduction and lead-free materials, ensuring safe drinking water. Our filter features premium coconut activated carbon, reducing chlorine by up to 97.2%. It effectively tackles sediments, rust, and unpleasant tastes for an improved drinking experience. Enjoy healthy water for longer. This filter provides a long-lasting service life, with a recommendation to replace it every 3 months for optimal performance. Designed for seamless integration, it's interchangeable with PUR RF, $99.99 faucet water filters. It fits a wide range of PUR classic, advanced, and horizontal faucet mounts. Getting started is simple. Just soak the filter in clean tap water for 3 minutes to flush it and release any bubbles before use. What we like? Get an extended 900-gallon filtration capacity, making this a fantastic long-term solution. It's also NSF 42 certified for improved taste and odor. If you want to stock up and save, or have a larger family with high water consumption, this 3-pack offers exceptional value and convenience. What people say? The filter is easy to install and the water tastes great. I love that it filters out so many contaminants, including lead and chlorine. The pitcher is a good size and fits well in my refrigerator. Number 3. Waterdrop PT07B Water Filter Pitcher. Experience a higher quality of life with this essential kitchen companion. It's designed to provide you with purified drinking water, making it perfect for any home. Enjoy the convenience of its innovative hands-free lid, designed for easy dispensing and hygiene. Its compact size ensures it fits perfectly in most refrigerators. Rest assured with its NSF certified filtration performance. It effectively reduces common contaminants like PFOA, PFOS, odor, and various metal ions for cleaner water. Benefit from an extended filter lifespan of up to 200 gallons or 3 months. This means you can enjoy purified water for much longer periods. Stay informed with the intelligent LED indicator that monitors the filter's usage. This ensures you always know when it's time for a replacement, for a healthier and hassle-free experience. What we like? This pitcher boasts a generous 10-cup capacity and is NSF certified to reduce contaminants like PFOA, PFOS, and chlorine. It also features a smart LED indicator to track filter life. If you prefer a pitcher system for its portability and ease of use, and want to keep track of your filter's performance at a glance, this is an excellent option for your kitchen counter. What people say. The filter is easy to install and the water tastes great. I love that it filters out so many contaminants, including lead and chlorine. The pitcher is a good size and fits well in my refrigerator. Number 2. PUR Plus Vertical Faucet Mount Water Filtration System. Switching to our faucet water filter can save you up to $30 every week compared to buying bottled water. It's a simple change that benefits both your wallet and the environment. You can install this tap water filter in just minutes, with no tools required. It fits securely on most standard faucets, making great tasting water accessible in no time. This filter lasts up to 3 months or 100 gallons, ensuring you have crisp, filtered water readily available. A helpful light even reminds you when it's time for a replacement. Our system is certified to significantly reduce lead and remove microplastics, chlorine, and many other common contaminants. Enjoy water that is not only clean but also safe. Experience the difference with every glass. This filter uses advanced technology to remove contaminants, delivering delicious, clean-tasting water straight from your tap. What we like. This system is AQUA certified to specifically reduce lead, offering an added layer of safety. It's incredibly easy to install directly onto your faucet in minutes. If reducing lead in your drinking water is a top priority and you want a simple, tool-free installation, this faucet mount is the perfect fit for your home. What people say. The pitcher is designed to fit easily into the refrigerator. The water tastes great and is very refreshing. Number 1. Waterdrop FC01 Faucet Water Filter. Tired of tap water taste? This faucet filter provides NSF-certified, cleaner, and healthier water for your home. It's designed to reduce chlorine and lead, ensuring you and your family drink safely. Installing this filter is a breeze, taking just minutes with the included adapters. Enjoy the convenience of filtered water without any complicated setup. Each filter lasts for an impressive 320 gallons, or about 3 months of typical use. That's twice as long as many other faucet filters, meaning fewer replacements for you. Our innovative ACF material effectively reduces lead and chlorine. You can fill up to 4 bottles of refreshing water in just 1 minute, enjoying safer water with every sip. Easily switch between filtered and unfiltered water with a simple lever, extending the filter's lifespan. Its leak-proof design ensures a mess-free experience. Please note that this filter does not reduce TDS and is not compatible with pull-out, handheld, or spray-style faucets. Verify compatibility with your faucet before purchasing. What we like. Enjoy an impressive 320-gallon capacity, twice that of many competitors, and effective lead reduction. The convenient switch allows you to toggle between filtered and unfiltered water, extending the filter's life. If you want a faucet filter that offers superior longevity, enhanced lead filtration, and the flexibility to use tap water when needed, this is a smart and practical choice. What people say. The filter is easy to install and use. The water tastes great after filtering. It significantly reduces contaminants like lead and chlorine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.